Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Can you hear my audio? Is it audible to everybody? So today we are streaming both on YouTube as well as into the Gate.io. So yes, I welcome everyone to the stream, and today the topic we are going to discuss about the project, which is Swiss Cheese Project, and what was the project and how you can get a startup, and the token is going to list in our gate.io within a 2 hours time period. So that is what we are going to discuss today, and if you have any queries regarding the project, you can ask me. And before entering into that, let's get into the gate.io. um yeah, the startup. With the startup, that is, we are going to discuss the startup Swiss cheese. Okay, the trading is going to start in a 2 hours 5 minutes time period, and here you can also participate for your subscription, as well as when you start holding the Gate token, you can participate in the free startup, and those Gate tokens you can hold. That is minimum holding and trading volume. Many things are involved into the startup. I will explain you how to participate, because this is a very easiest way of getting a lot of profits from the. This is a concept of IDO. So how you can get your airdrops from just by participating in this IDOs? It is very simple from a Gate.io, so there is no need to choose any other platforms to choose your IDOs, and it is very simple to do here. So that is what I'm gonna share today. So from this airdrop, the main thing you have to begin with the airdrop is for just to hold a minimum of $10 in your wallet. It is enough. But just to get a confirmed airdrops, so confirmed tokens from the project is very simple. So that is what we are going to talk in today live stream. And let me check out your comments first. Mr. Star, hello, welcome. Johar, hi bro, welcome to the stream. Hey guys, welcome. So yes, let me continue. And if you guys have any queries related to the topic, also you can ask me. I will try to explain you. So right. Um. Yeah, this startup. What was a startup basically? Here, the startup is very simple, because the startup where you can get a free tokens before listing into the before listing into the Gate.io. You're going to get some free tokens when you start holding the GT tokens. So GT, you can just let me show you the GT price of the GT token, and it can also increase your VIP levels to get a guaranteed startup tokens. So that is very easy way to collect your tokens from the uh, event, which is a startup. So let me show you. And also we are going to talk about what was the project background, and what was this project, how this project future is going to be. So everything we are going to discuss in this live stream. So just stay tuned with me. I think just to keep on loading. Yeah, here the GT token is native token. Yeah, GT USDT. So the price of a GT, let's check it out. Yeah, which is $6.7. Today it is in a negative trend. So this is a GT token. When you start holding this GT token, so you can able to get your a VIP, higher VIP. So higher VIP in the sense you can collect lot of free startup tokens whenever that is before listing into the Gate.io. So I will tell you what was initial holding. You have to go for a GT first. Yeah. Yeah, here it is. I think many people was not aware about the process which is available in a gate, and I'm here to clear if you have any queries regarding that. Okay, so I think now the audio was audible to everyone. So let's continue with this analysis. Yeah, so here the startup first how you can hold the GT, how many GT you have to hold, And otherwise, without holding a GT also, you can increase your VIP level. So VIP will be increased based on the USDT, how many USD you have started traded in a gate.io. So if you are, if you traded 0 USDT, you are being a VIP zero. But if you traded nearly $60,000 into 60,000 USD, you will be in a VIP one. So when you start increasing your VIP, your startup getting will increase. So the percentage you're going to increase when you start making more VIP. So VIP zero, the rate is 0.1 percentage. But if you are in a VIP one, you can able to get a 0.09 percentage. Likewise, you can get it. And apart from that, the GT, when you start holding the GT, and that is also going to increase. So like GT points, if you hold 100 GT, you can get a 0.089. And as like it will be increased, it is not a USD, it is a GT. So 300. So likewise, you can hold the GT to get your percentage for the startup. So single GT token price is 6.727. And if you wanted to get a lot of percentage with the free startup tokens, means you have to hold likewise the rewards, sorry, USD in your wallet, in a Gate exchange wallet. So that is important to learn before entering into the startup. So let me talk about the startup first. Yeah. So the today project is Swiss cheese. Otherwise, if you have a minimum of $10 in your wallet, it is easier to collect your rewards. Triple R, hi, welcome, vanakkam, bro. I'm great, bro. I have recovered, and thank you so much for your contents all the day. Slay, hello, Slay, welcome. Okay. So Swiss cheese, this is a project, and it is going to list in a gate within a 1 hour time period. 1 hour 54 minutes is there left, right? So you can also purchase GT if you want. Okay, so I think now the audio was audible. So sorry for the interruption. Every time my internet was showing a bad network. Okay, that's okay. Now it is good. So with this Swiss cheese, let's get into the analysis now. How this project is going to be, and yeah. So what I'm just sharing in our live stream today. So keep on continue watching this live stream so to get to know about it. Yes. So when you have a VIP, more VIP level, and you can get a lot of startup tokens. So not only with this, and many projects are there with this task. So you can also complete each and every stuff, and you can collect a lot of rewards. And this is going to be the very budget project. Okay, so what was this twist G? So first we can discuss with the project information. So that let's move on to the website, official website about this project. Everything we'll discuss. Okay, so this is a revolutioning stock trading with a DeFi by providing a decentralized platform for trading tokenized stocks. So that is with a high efficiency, even a transparency, and also the world's first place of such an innovation. So the cryptocurrency, they are making it involved into the stock trading. So it is exactly the new way of innovation which they are trying to make with this project. So this Swiss cheese project, before that, let me show you the website of this Swiss cheese. So let me get into it. Okay, so we are in the website of Swiss cheese. Mm, yeah, and to all are new here, please give a follow, friends. And if you have any doubts, also you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to explain you. Okay, so yes, first let me talk more about this project. So as I told before, this is a stock tokenized. The stock will be tokenized into a digitalized one. So how they are making it happen? Let me tell you how they are making it happen. So first thing, so nothing now. My audio was audible. Okay, so thank you, Biba. Welcome to the stream. I'm great, bro. Thank you so much. I don't know why it was keep on disconnecting. I'm really bad situation now. I think so. That's okay. Let me continue. So, and thus they are making to develop this with the Swiss cheese forex dex is going to begin with them. Okay, so I think now it is going good. Okay, so they are trying to make with the development of Swiss cheese. Okay, so I think again it was working good. I'm really sorry about the interruption. It just keep on happening in a live stream. So yes, let me continue again with the project stuff. So the roadmap, which seems better when it comes to the like a DEX, a forex DEX method, and also the global partnership. So everything it's good, looks good. And in the 2025, the next year, what they are trying to plan is that is full of a Swiss cheese wallet and application, and this is a new way of making it happen with the crypto. And this is somewhat good to hear with this project. So yes, let's talk more about this project, how this is going to be happen each and every year. So let me check into it. And the staking is available, and a voting process is available. So many things are increasing, keep on increasing. Then that is stuff we are going to discuss now. Okay, so yes, I think now the red packet is available now within a 57 seconds. You can claim your red packets. So just join and claim the red packets. Okay, so yes. So after the roadmap, we can also check out the stuff, the white paper. So from the white paper, we can get a lot of informations about the project, and also it is easier to understood what is going to happen. Okay, so yes, so the many stuffs are available with this project, and the main thing, the white paper. So white paper will gives us the what was your future stuff, everything. This white paper will gives, so that we can easily learn from that. So that is what I'm going to share it now. So yes, first, what about this? What was this Swiss cheese? So this is going to be the groundbreaking blockchain based platform. So that is designed to empower the individual investors and also promote a completely decentralized financial ecosystem. And this white paper will also lay the groundwork of how they are breaking solutions, or they are trying to do everything. So before the diving into this Swiss cheese as a decentralized stock market, and it is important to understand some key terms and concepts related to the decentralized exchanges and also the industry history. So first thing is a concept of decentralized stock exchange, which dates back to the early of Bitcoin, when someone was make the peer-to-peer marketplace, allowing users to trade the bitcoins for other assets without the intermediaries. So, however, the first generation of a decentralized stock exchanges as prolonged, inefficient, and also unreliable, as they relied on manual process and often communication. So, just to facilitate the trades, the new generation of the decentralized stock exchanges will emerge, that is used to blockchain technology and also smart contracts to just to automate the trading process. So for that category, it will be used, and this DEX also. Yesterday we talked about the DEX, I think so. Yesterday and day before, I think we talked about the DEX. So that will be used as a audiobook model, that is matched buyers and sellers based on their bids and ask. So one of the pioneers of this model was Ether Delta, which allowed the users to trade Ethereum-based tokens, which is ERC20. So on a web-based interface, so thus Ether Delta used a smart contract to manage trading wallets in the traditional order book model. So, however, this model was not one very compatible with the Ethereum, as it suffered from a low liquidity, high gas fee, and also poor user experience. So these stuffs are added with this. So next thing is a decentralized stock exchange and centralized exchanges, how it is working with this. So centralized stock exchanges is the concept, that is a SEC. It is a platform that relies on a centralized intermediary, such as it has brokers, clearing houses, regulators, etc. So these are the stuffs included, and to facilitate the traders between a market participants and SECs, that uses a order book model that matches the buyers and sellers based on bids and ask. So this SECs act as a custodians of users' funds and data, which also exposes them to various risks such as hacking, fraud, censorship. So that those are included in this, and that is the SEC. Okay, so the centralized exchange, and also the next thing we are going to discuss with this decentralized exchanges. Okay, so yes, so the decentralized stock exchange. So that stock exchange is a peer to peer. So peer to peer is a concept where we know that the peer to peer is a method like a lightning network. So that is a lightning network, which is easier to understood the lightning network concept because it is a peer-to-peer method. Without intermediaries, we can start making a transaction. So that is comes under the decentralized stock exchange. That is a peer-to-peer. So that marketplace that facilitates the direct trades between a market participants and without intermediaries or central authorities is DEX leverage a blockchain technology and smart contracts to create a transparent, secure, as well as accessible platform for trading tokenized stocks. So these tokenized stocks enable the users to enjoy the benefits of owning stocks without dealing with the hassles and risk of traditional stock trading. Okay, so, for example, users can trade a tokenized stocks 24 by 7 across the borders with low fees and also without intermediaries. So, that is what they are trying to do. And yes, so this Swiss cheese, what was this Swiss cheese? They are the forefront of this financial transformation, which is providing a decentralized platform for the secure and efficient trading of tokenized stocks. So users can also access a fractional ownership of a stock through this platform. Like this is a Swiss cheese, right? So from this platform, they will use a digital token, cryptocurrency, and they are native Swiss tokens. Everything will be tradable. This and each tokenized stock will represent a portion of underlying stock. So that will allowing users. Okay, so that will allows the user. Okay. To invest in a trade stocks directly or a decentralized platform. So, with this tokenization process breaks down the traditional barriers to entry and enhances the market accessibility and also reduces the transaction cost for the users. Okay, so by tokenizing the stocks, such as here we can tokenize Apple, Netflix, Meta, whatever. So they will offer the users to opportunity to diversify their investment portfolios and tap into their potential benefits of the traditional stock market by leveraging the advantages of blockchain technology. So through our platform, their platform users can seamlessly trade these tokenized stocks, taking advantage of tokenization, liquidity, convenience, and global reach. So, Swiss Cheese is committed to revolutionizing the financial landscape of providing the secure and efficient platform for a tokenized stock trading. So that will empower. So this that will empower the users with a greater accessibility, flexibility, and even opportunities in an ever evolving world of finance. So this Swiss cheese offers several features and benefits that make it superior to a traditional stock exchanges. So what kind of benefits you can get with this Swiss cheese? Can anybody have idea? So what kind of benefits? Why we need to use it at all? So first is the main benefit. It is low transaction fees. So low transaction fees will be added with this platform. So the low transaction fees is cost. The transaction fees are charged on a Swiss cheese platform is a form of native token. So these charges pay for operating so that will the operating expenses and also the compensate liquidity providers and finance fundraising efforts. So, with this, Swiss cheese provides users with a more affordable trading experience as compared to the centralized exchanges. So, which include a significant commissions, spreads, and also withdrawal cost. So, this which holders can also benefit from the discounts, bonuses, and other incentives on the Swiss cheese platform. So, that is what they are trying to make. Yes. Rayak, hello Rayak, welcome to the stream, bro. Ellie, Lily, hi, welcome. So this is a first is a lower transaction fee, and next is a higher transaction. Higher transparency. So high transparency, how this transparency is gonna work? Due to the fact that all the transactions are recorded on open and also irreversible ledger trading on a Swiss cheese is extremely transparent, and the users also can receive a real-time data feeds from trustworthy sources, so that will guaranteeing a correct pricing and a valuation of tokenized equities. So which is compared to the sex, which is usually require more openness in their business practices. So this pricing practices and order execution for users, the Swiss cheese provides a more transparent and fair trade environment. So that is what their project, and to participate in this startup event from a gate exchange, which is simple, and you can also hold a lot of GT to start getting your free startup tokens. And we have the enhanced security from this Swiss cheese, because this Swiss cheese embeds an advanced multi-layered security strategy to protect its user transactions are transparently recorded on immutable ledgers to ensure the traceability and minimize the fraud. So rigorous external audits are regularly conducted on their smart contracts to preempt and also addresses a vulnerability. So the advanced encryption techniques, those are also implemented to secure the user data. Okay, so welcome everybody. பூங்குயில் பாட்டு பிடிச்சிருக்கா பனிக்காற்றை பிடிச்சிருக்கா பௌர்ணமி வானம் பிடிச்சிருக்கா சின்ன சின்ன நட்சத்திரம் பிடிச்சிருக்கா அங்கே வரும் மணிகள் பிடிச்சிருக்கா அழகே நீ சொல்ல. காதலிக்க நேரமில்லை கண்கள் உன்னை காணும் வரை. சின்னத்தன் மட்டும் பாடும் செய்தி. Okay. So with this security, they have advanced encryption techniques, and those techniques will be used to secure the network also. So as like with this Swiss cheese, we have many stuffs to learn, and they have lot of so with a lot of features they are trying to make with the one-stop crypto with this Swiss cheese. Okay, so I think we are done with this topic, and if anybody have queries, you can ask me. I'm here to help you on it. And the service, we have a swapping service, taking service, borrowing, outing. So everything is available. So you can also go for a swapping, whatever you want. You can go with this Swiss cheese. So this tokenized stocks will allow for a fractional ownership. The meaning is you can also buy and sell the smaller portions of a company stock. So this will opens up investment opportunities to a much wider categories. So nowadays, a lot of investment was increasing with the uh, cryptocurrency project. So investment, I think everyone started investing into the projects like staking. So many people have started making use of it. Fenerly Baba, thank you for saying a good post. Thank you so much. Oh, Triple R, thank you so much. So I'm gonna drop the another red package, which is within a 10 minutes time period. You can climb it. Okay, so yes. So as with this yeah. So as with this concept behind this Swiss cheese was the this is based on a stock dex. Okay, so which is they are trying to make everything into the stock as well as stock into the decentralization, how the uh, part is going to work here. So and a lot of securities, everything they have added in their roadmap. So maybe this they are trying to make a play to earn games also. So play to earn games that gives you the more effective way to start your earnings from it. So this tokenized stocks will allow the fractional ownership that you can meaning buy and sell up a smaller portion of the company stocks also. Even you can buy the kind of company stocks, but not with a smaller portion. So if you have started staking, you have to hold a larger amount of a company's shares just to become a staker there. So, but with this concept, they are trying to make a very smaller portion of company stocks also we can able to hold here. So that is a concept they are trying to do. So unlike this traditional stocks that can be only traded during a certain hours, that is in a weekly hours only, in a certain stock exchanges we can trade. We only the 24/7 will be available from the decentralization, isn't it? Thank you, bro. Thank you for sharing a lot of likes. So as into the other into the stock really when it talks about the stock exchanges, so the stock will be available in a certain days only and certain hours is left for. But with this decentralization, we have a 24/7, isn't it? So the tokenized stocks can be traded 24/7, and also this allows for a greater flexibility and the ability to react to market conditions in a real time. So that was the main thing I had to understood from this concept. And one more thing, you can trade a multiple cryptocurrencies. You can trade with a multiple cryptocurrencies from them, which is a Swiss cheese. So the traditional stock trading can be expansive with the fees or for buying and selling shares as well as the commissions for a brokers, isn't it? And this tokenized stocks, on the other hand, it can be traded directly on the blockchain with a lower fees and a fewer intermediaries. So that is what they are trying to make from this project. And one more thing is the increased transparency. Already we talked about the transparency about this project, even though this blockchain technology will provide a transparent and immutable ledger of all transactions, which reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. Tokenized stocks offer a greater transparency and accountability, so which can increase the investor trust also. Okay, so that will be very important thing to note. And the next thing is a global access. So the tokenized assets can be traded globally without the need for a complex cross-border transactions, and this can also open up a new markets and investment opportunities for both companies and investors. Okay, so this is what regarding the topic we discussed now. Okay, so I think many of you learned about this Swiss cheese project, and this going to be live in a gate.io within an hour, I think so. So we have very lesser time period to get listed in a gate.io. So if you already started participating in the startup, and you can collect your free tokens, but just try to be in any of the VIP levels they wanted to be, because a VIP is very important. That is a kind of staking. So when you start using the gate GT token is a main thing, so you can also just hold some GT token in your account to get a more VIP level. Otherwise you can also invest any USDT, so you can also hold your USDT in your wallet, like minimum of 2000 USDT in your wallet to be get increase in your VIP level. So when you upgrade your VIP level, it is easier for you to collect your free tokens from the startup. So that will be a greater option for everyone to get your free rewards from the gate. Okay. So this is what really about the topic. And if anybody have anything else to ask me, you can ask me in the live stream itself, so that I can tell you what was the topic we discussed. Welcome, welcome everybody. Okay, so I think we are done with the topic which we wanted to discuss now. So thank you so much, everybody. Thanks for joining this live stream. And it's time to end the live stream. So I think 3 minutes left to collect your red packets. So let me wait for a 3 minutes time period. So try to collect your red packets which I'm shared in a live stream. So yes, let's wait for the 3 minute. And if you have any queries also, you can just communicate with me. I will try to explain you. Thank you everyone for following me, guys. Thank you for showing us support. And we have the another live today, so don't miss the next live. I think the next live is going to be this evening live stream. I'm gonna make it. So yes. So how many of you started participating in the startup event, guys? And without holding a higher value of GT also, you can get your startup just by holding a 10 USDT in your wallet. It is also enough to participate in the startup, but that is not a guaranteed reward. You cannot get with that $10 minimum. Just try to hold higher volume. Otherwise you can start trade with a minimum of $60,000 to be get more VIP level, or more than that by holding the uh, minimum of $2,000 in your wallet. So this is what the needed stuff about learn wanted to learn about this topic as well as the startup. Basically, startup is a concept where we can get the pre-sale. So this is also one of the kind of pre-sale. So the pre-sale price is going to you are going to get for the token. And this is a concept of IDO where many people were started focus on IDO concept, but it is a very rare to be participate in a IDO platforms because they wanted to make a lot of investment in their token. Even Gate has a GT, so to be participate in this startup, we have to buy the GT also. But without buying a GT also, we have the opportunity to collect our rewards like trading. I think not many exchanges have this opportunity to go with the startup. I think Gate has this opportunity and try to uh, collect your rewards and try to gain some rewards from the Gate. So I think it's time to end the live stream, and thank you everyone for joining this live stream. We'll see you in the next live. So bye bye. Take care, everyone.